Hello, I'm Glenn Sylvester, Mayor of Daly City. I want to start out by saying thank you to all the residents who participated in this election. Your voice really matters, not only in the presidential race, but also right here at home in Daly City. I sincerely appreciate your interest in Measure Q. I look forward to keeping you all informed and working with you to address our local recovery and relief needs. I also have a message for our veterans. Thank you for your service to our country and for your continued contributions in our Daly City community. On Veterans Day, Daly City flew the POW/MIA flag at City Hall to honor all those that serve and continue to serve in the armed forces. And this year, city staff organized a drive-by salute to Daly City veterans. This was a collaboration amongst the city's Recreation Division, Police Department, and North County Fire Authority, in close coordination with VFW Post 8750, Commander Skip Weiss, American Legion Post 238, Member Al Hale, and others at the VA. You are seeing some of the photos from this event, which was led by police and fire vehicles to the homes of veterans. Thank you again for all the veterans in our city and country. We appreciate you so much. My next update is about the Small Business Relief Fund. Small businesses in Daly City are eligible to apply for grants ranging from $5,000 to $25,000. These grants can be used to cover expenses such as payroll, lease payments for the business, the Paycheck Protection Program cost related to reopening, or COVID-related costs to pivot business models, like setting up e-commerce and much more. Funding is limited, so please apply by November 30th. For all businesses in Daly City, please attend one of our sustainability workshops on November 18th or 19th. You'll learn from Republic Services and city staff about new sustainability efforts and how they may affect your business. You can also sign up to receive free on-site technical assistance and a variety of educational posters and labels at no cost. At each workshop, one random winner will receive a $100 gift card. Remember to RSVP by November 17th to get the Zoom link. In addition to business support, Daly City offers emergency rental assistance for people who are experiencing a loss of income due to the pandemic and need help paying their rent. Our City Council has allocated funding for this program because we know many people need help right now. Information is available in English, Spanish, Chinese, and Tagalog. Visit the link or call the number on the screen to learn if you are eligible and can get started on your application. Holiday season is upon us, and health officials from 10 Bay Area counties have issued recommendations to stay safe. If you gather in person, keep it small, short, stable, and outdoors. Gatherings should also be limited to 3 households and should last no more than 2 hours. Visit the link on the screen for more safety guidance. Travel is not recommended. Traveling outside the Bay Area will increase your chance of getting infected and then spreading COVID after you return. If you do travel outside the Bay Area, you are recommended to quarantine for 14 days after you return. If your activities while traveling put you at a higher risk of getting COVID. And finally, I want to conclude with some good news about our environment. It has been 4 years since we joined the Peninsula Clean Energy, and since that time we have reduced greenhouse gas emissions from electricity in Daly City by 66%. The 97% of our residents and businesses who are part of Peninsula Clean Energy together save almost $1.3 million a year in energy costs. So we are taking action on climate change and saving money through lower electricity rates at the same time. Don't forget to check out all the rebates and special offers from Peninsula Clean Energy for electric vehicles, solar, and battery storage systems, and more. Thank you for tuning in today, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy. We are Daly City Strong. You are not alone. Thank you.